Hey, what's going on YouTube? We back. Honest Modelers. We back with another drop, another unboxing. Let's do it. First and foremost, I want to start off by saying thank you to everybody that's supporting the channel, watching the videos. My last video just hit 1K views. I definitely want to appreciate everybody checking it out. But yeah, we're going to keep going with the drops, the unboxing, stuff like that. Make sure y'all definitely comment and stuff like that. I definitely appreciate it. But here we go. We got two off-white collabs here. Off-white Nike blazer. We got both colorways. We'll go with this one first. See all the holes in the box, stuff like that. Signature Virgil branding. From my understanding, it's the first time they're doing the off-white like that, right in the box. The swimming man, with the holes and stuff like that. You see that in most of the collabs. It's an off-white paper. So, then you got the black pair. Go with both of them out. Let's get both of them out. Get a real good look. Definitely different, but I like it, man. I like it. Here we go. Off-white blazers. Got holes in there. Overlaces like you see on a lot of other off-white collabs, especially the dunks. Signature zip tie. This one is in black. We got the shoelaces on there in written letters. It's also on the overlaces too. Let's see if I can get it. It's like right there in the knot. Signature tags and stuff you'll see on the off-white collabs. A lot of people don't like the heel. Me personally, I don't mind it. You know, definitely gives it a wild look. But it's really not that big. Not that, you know, when you're wearing it, it's not very pointy at all. You can't stick yourself with it or anything. You can't hurt anybody with it. But you know, in today's world, you got wave runners and stuff like that, and other outlandish kind of sneakers. You know, I don't think this looks too bad. Definitely wearable. Got Nike off right there. If you take a look on the inside, got the swimming man. Both. So let's get to the white pair. You can see a lot of the differences because the white pair has a lot of different color blockings and stuff like that. Here we got the white pair, or the off-white pair. Let's get them on out. Boom. This one, they went with an aged look on it. That's meant to look like that. But on this one, you can see the Nike sign pops out a lot better. A lot more loud colors on this pair. Like, definitely style it different. Especially with the holes in the shoe. Kind of weird, but like I said, you know, Virgil always pushed the boundaries and stuff like that. And I look at these shoes more of an art piece than just fashion in a sense. So yeah, I like them. Could definitely style this pair a lot, you know, different. Maybe some red socks under it, give it a nice undertone. White socks, you know, even do black socks, blue socks. That's the part that you don't see on the black ones because it's pretty much all muted. So everything is muted on the black pair. It's all black. And then you got all these different materials. Now you can see the different quality of the material. So you have like a cloth right here. This is a very premium leather. This is rubberized right here. And of course you got the swimming man again on the inside of both feet. Yeah, man, tell me what you think, man, because a lot of controversy over them. People don't like them. I've seen a lot of other wilder off-white collabs that he done with Nike that, you know, people rave over, and I'm like, ugh, I don't know. These I can deal with. Let me know which one is your favorite. It's hard for me to pick a favorite, to be honest with you, because I wear both kind of colors. So I like the black ones, just because maybe, I don't know, they mesh well with a lot of different colors. These ones, you know, more of a summer vibe. But yeah, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Once again, thank y'all for sticking around with me. Got some more videos coming. Peace.